I'm just making a quick video to show you how to change your number on the marketing so that you can have your own video with your own information. So you log into BeeCoinWise over here and put in your password. And log in. Okay, so once you've logged in, you go here to settings on the top right hand corner, and then you will see this link over here, which is your personal link for people to register, and you'll see this number over here. In this case it's 941. I'm going to just bring across my WhatsApp. So all you do is from here you go to anywhere where you can find a link and you just copy it, and then you can paste it and just replace that number with your number. And your number in this case is 941, so you just put 941 and then you send it. Or if I copy that and I go to another browser tab and I paste it or I send it to somebody, it'll open up and it'll come up with your details. In this case it's the Pinetown branch, it's just called Pinetown, phone number. That'll take you to the, well, you'll see when you go onto it, you can register. It'll give you the right code, that's same 941, and WhatsApp the person directly if you want to talk to them, or you can watch the next webinar so that they can basically do everything from this and sign up. You might never have to talk to anybody, they'll just sign up automatically.